Hi all, in our last tutorial we worked on adding watchOS target in an existing project. In this tutorial we will add macOS target in existing project. So first of all click on file and new target. So in this new target we will choose macOS and application, macOS app, and then Mac OS, maybe cities, something like this, cities, and SwiftUI. Okay, so we have added Mac OS cities target. Now as we do in the watch OS, so we will just remove the Mac OS cities, the starting file, and we will use content view, and we will add environment from here, and then here we will use cities list, right? Cities list and this. So for that we need to add it in the target over here, city detail. Yes, we can add it for now. Later we will create a separate file of Mac OS. This one, model data and favorite button, and this is the starting file, then circle, and then map view. So we'll add all those files. Let's try and build it. Right, cannot find cities list. So now if we run it, yeah, it's build succeed. So when we now run Mac OS cities, so let's see, and here, and what we can do is we can add frame here, frame width 300, height open anyway. Okay, so we also need to do cities data, have to add in, we already did. Let me run it again and let's see. Height equals to 700, and let's run it now and see the result. Open anyway. Cities data.json, cities data.json, JSON was in resources. So we will add this also in Mac OS cities target. So now when we build it, so it would okay. So it is working, but we have to create this detail view as per the Mac OS target that we will create in next tutorial. So for now images are not visible, so what we need to do is we need to copy paste these images from here to here, and then if we run it, it would work. So now if we running it, so we have a this. Thanks. Please share and subscribe my YouTube channel for more videos on SwiftUI and skilled learning.